Good morning. We're here doing a little video to maybe help you or whoever. There are several videos on this subject already. 2012 Chevrolet Impala, rattles in the rear. I watched some of the other videos and none of their problems is my problem. So I'll make a little video to show you what my problem was. Basically, we're here to help. So here we are. The car is a high mile car, 212,000 miles, but it's fairly solid for an Ohio car. And you would think it's extremely solid looking at the exterior. We found out a little bit different. I pulled each one of the wheels off initially to inspect suspension and make sure that nothing is broken or loose. And to my surprise, actually in this area everything is very good. What I did do this morning with just a basic Rust-Oleum rattle can was I painted. This was basically a rust color. It's not deteriorated to where it's soft or anything, but it definitely didn't really have any paint left on it. So just to give the car some extra life, I definitely painted that thing inside out and everywhere. And then up in the shock towers I also gave it a little spray paint just because there was a little corrosion starting, and so just to extend the life of the car. Hopefully it'll finish its life out for mileage. And a few other little things, but none of these seem to be our problem. I pulled and pushed on everything and everything is good and tight, thankfully. But now for the real problem, where we're going to go to is underneath at the rear bumper, or the inner bumper. And as you can see, that thing is one rusty pile of crap. So I'm pretty sure these tabs were attached to a big piece of rust that I pulled off of there, but this whole thing is just moving. And so I believe this is my rattle. And I'm gonna have to get a new inner bumper cover. Not a cover, but the inner bumper. But as you can see, this whole thing just go down the road and makes all these doggone rattles. Everything else in the car appears to be pretty doggone good. It's crazy that GM went in a safety item such as an inner bumper would not put any corrosion resistance as such enough to last the car and to let it get rusted off in this manner. Now going down the road, I'm going to have to do this pretty quick because this will all catch air and could pull the whole bumper cover off. So you might want to get up under your Chevy Impala and check this out. Crazy though, you can see there just how little corrosion protection GM decided to put in this item, which is crazy being a safety item. So with the rest of the car, my inspection seems to be pretty solid. Hopefully that helps you. Maybe it finds your rattle problem. Anyway, give me a like, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much.